In this video, I'm going to create a virtual machine and I'm going to call it Finance VM, right? So I'll come to Compute, Instances, click on Create Instance, hold the name Finance VM, right? And after that, I'm going to install Apache Web Server on it. So Finance VM and yeah, Compute. So I'm going to edit the image and the shape. We'll use this one. Yeah, this Oracle Linux 7.9. Yeah, select the image. Then for this, let me see the shape. Yeah, so this is the right one. Yeah, this is the right one. Yeah, always free tier. Yeah, so the VM standard E2 on micro. That's the right one. Select shape. Then for the virtual network, the VCN. So for this one, I'm going to select existing cloud network. I'm going to change the compartment to resource networking, and I'm going to use the one that I already created. This one. Also for the subnet, I'll use the existing one, change it to resource networking. So I'm going to choose the finance subnet, right? So since I'm creating this virtual machine for, for the finance, like the finance department, right? So let me see again. Then I'm going to save a private key. Let's save a private key. So come to, no, not this, not here. Come here to Oracle. Oracle folder. Is it? Here is it. So I'll call the name finance.key. Finance.key, then I'll save. Okay. So once I save it, just review Finance VM, Compute, um, Oracle Linux 7.9, and then submit. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to create. So once I create it, I'm going to connect to it remotely via SSH, right? And I'm going to install the Apache web server and also another portal, right? So I'm going to install that. So yeah, so once it's currently is provisioning, it's being provisioned. So once it's done, I will install that. So since this is done, I'm going to connect to this instance, to this virtual machine remotely. So I'm going to use git bash. So first of all, I need to cd to the folder where the key is, which is let me do check. So oh, okay. So, mm, okay, let me do this. Kill this. And then I'll use this one. No, exit out of this. Log out. So I'm currently inside. Um, like WLS. I have the finance key and connect remotely. SSH dash I. Then the name of the key, which is finance key. Copy, paste. Then we'll do OPC, which is the username of the EC2 instance at then so this is the username, which was what I used. Then I'll get a public IP address. Copy. Mm, paste. Yes. Okay. So I'm currently inside now. Let me play. Then I'm going to install in, in paste. Okay. That's working well. So once that is done, I'm going to start sudo apache ctl start. So next I will run this sudo apache ctl start. And then I will enable HTTPD. HTTPD. Okay. So run the next command. Success. Go. Okay. So then we will load. Okay. And cd. And then sudo wget. Mm, yeah, need to unzip, unzip this. Okay. Oh, I need to change the permission. Okay. And then we'll some, remove some, okay, okay, it's cool. So that's it for this step, right? That's it. So I'm done with this now. So the next thing I'm going to do, since I already created a VM for the sales, you know, the sales VM. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to come to my real VNC viewer, right? And I'm going to connect remotely to, so I'll just come new connection, local host 5901. See, host 5901. So the connection was refused. So let's figure that out. Okay. So what I'm going to do is like, let me come to um, let me open my exit. So I'll connect remotely to the thumbnail. Yeah, I think it's the thumbnail. Okay. I'm going to use this. Okay. So I'll use this connect um, um, to create a tunnel, right, on my local desktop where I can use the VNC, viewer to access my sales virtual machine on my Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So we'll get sales virtual machine instances, the public IP. Mhm. So this one, so this one will just be sales dot key. That's for the private key. Then this one will be public IP address. This, no, that's not what I want. Okay, let me copy it again. Okay. Okay. So now if I come back here, if I come back to my VNC viewer, okay, so the password will be welcome1 was what I gave. Welcome1 when I was creating the, okay. So now what I'll do is that I'll try to access the try to access the so I'll try to access the portal for the finance, right? From here. So I'll get the public IP address. So I think it's still loading. Public IP address of the finance VM, right? So I'll get that. And okay, I think this is it. Okay. Okay. So let me get the public IP address of the finance. Come back here. This finance, public IP address, copy. Let's see, can access paste. See, okay. Let me open it again. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's not coming up because I need to use the private IP address, right? So let me try the private IP address um, of the finance, right? So, so because I should be able to access the finance VM on port 80, right? So should be able to access it on port 80, but not on port 22. So come back here, paste, see, mm, okay, that's it. So it came up, it came up. So you say welcome. Yeah, so it came up finally. Yeah, it came up finally. That's it. Yeah. So, but I can't access it. I can't access it via SSH, right? I want to access it via SSH. That would be tough. So just trying to see. Trying to see if I can try from the portal. Let me see. System to terminal. Let me just come to terminal and just see if I can try to access it via SSH. Let's come to the terminal. So let me see if I do SSH. Let's say we don't know the key, right? We just do OPC at, just put this paste. See, if I hit enter, it's not going to connect because the port 22, we did not open port 22, right? So we did not open port 22. So it's only port 80. So port 80 is like you can only access the web server, right? Not, so you see that it's not connecting, right? So this is cool. Yeah, this is cool. Let me bring this up again. Yeah, so that's it. That's it.